the population of this country and every person, particularly all Islamic parties of this country, they have clearly declared that as well as we are alive, the Human Rights Commission won't be allowed to open the office in this country in any way. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear respected audience, we are now in front of Baitul Shafla Chottor, where thousands of people of this country have gathered to protest against interim government Muhammad Yunus. You know that the United Nations Human Rights Commission has officially started its activities in this country. The interim government Muhammad Yunus has to cancel the agreement what made with them. Therefore, the general public of this country have come out on the streets to protect integrity and Islamic civilization and culture intact in the country. So you are seeing that the massive gathering center that is organized by the Islamic scholars of this country and the general public of this country. So everyone has one demand that no Western domination will be allowed to spread homosexual or LGBT in this country. So, in the other hand, they have said that the United Commission Human Rights Office won't be allowed to establish in this country at any time. Even they have said that the United Nations Human Rights Commission, it is established and it's seen usually in the war-torn countries. It's not honorable for us that the office will be in our country. It's mysterious for us that Bangladesh, even they want to have an human rights commission in this country. Even though Bangladesh is not a war-torn country, even they have criticized the UN because you know that in the Zionist terrorist Israeli government and Israeli terrorists have carrying out on the genocide on the population of Gaza Strip. Even they have bombed on the innocent people of Gaza Strip. That's why you are seeing that they have destroyed everything's infrastructure, medical supplies and lands and residential buildings, even everything. That's why we are seeing that the population of Gaza Strip, they are suffering the human catastrophe and humanitarian disaster. That's why they are faced in this moment the destructive environmental and hungry. So in Myanmar, we have seen that the Rohingya community was expelled from their country. The Buddhist community were oppressed onto them. Even water of Nav River was blown and was turned into blood without blood. So at that moment, the United Nations Human Rights, they couldn't stop this genocide and they couldn't strong a step against terrorist Israelis. And so in the last, the population of this country and every person, particularly all Islamic parties of this country, they have clearly declared that as well as we are alive, the Human Rights Commission won't be allowed to open the office in this country in any way. Thank you so much.